everyone. Today we will start the topic part, that is project evaluation and review technique of unit number 5th in project management. As we have done yesterday, the techniques of CPM, critical path method. Basically the difference among the CPM and PERT is critical path method, the time is fixed or deterministic, whereas in the method of project evaluation and review technique, the time is based on the probabilistic based. Here time estimates in given, most optimistic, that is TO, most likely TM, and most pessimistic, that is TP. And on this basis of these three time, we have to find out the expected time duration, right? So let us take an example to solve this technique. A small project consisting of 8 activities has the following characteristics. Activities are given A to H, preceding activities are given, and time estimates in weeks are given. There are 3 parts. First one, draw the PERT network for the project. Second, पहले में हमें करना है PERT network को draw करना है. Second में find the expected time duration and variance for each activity, and last determine the critical path and the expected project length. So shall we start from the first one? The first is draw the PERT network, right? To draw the network, first we will start here. As before A and B there is no preceding activity, we will represent A and B through the arrow activity, right? So this first is, here it is A activity and circle represent the node or the event A, and next is the B. This is B number 3 event. Now A is the preceding activity of C, D and E. A से स्टार्ट होंगी, जब A कंप्लीट हो गया वहां से 3 एक्टिविटी मर्ज हो रही है, बस्ट हो रही है, C, D एंड E, right? So सबसे पहले D, this is the activity D number 4. Now C, B and C are merging at a point, so we will meet it at the node 3. This will be the activity C, and E is also the starting activity of A, right? But E and F are merging at a point, right? So before this, next activity where B and C are the preceding activity of the activity F, right? So we will do this. Next is A, E. This is the activity E and number 5. And from B and C, the next activity is our F activity, and E, F, G are meet at a point, and this is E, F and the G. D is the preceding activity of G. This is D. E, F, G से एक इवेंट कौन सी शुरू होती है? That is H. H activity, and this is number 6, right? So here there are total number, right? Sorry, this is G, right? So total number of preceding activities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can say here, see here, there are 6 events, and total number of activities are 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So when you draw the network, you will check the number of activities A to H, and the preceding activities you can check through the circles, number of circles. Here it is 6, and circles are also, if you count, these are also in the number of 6. So first part is complete. Now come to the second part. Find the expected time duration and variance for each activity. So we will find out the expected time duration by the formula TE, where E, T suffix में E, it denotes that expected activity time is equal to TO plus 4 into TM plus TP divided by 6. We will put the value in this formula. 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 12 divided by 6. That is equal to 30 upon 6 is equal to 5. Similarly, we will put all these value in the formula, and we will get the value of the expected value. So next will be 14 9, 15, 8, 9, 4 and 5. Alright. So now for variance we have to find out the standard deviation sigma by the formula TP minus TO divided by 6. We will put the value of TP is the pessimistic time first, 12, minus TO optimistic time 2 divided by 6, that is 10 upon 6, and if we divide it will be equal to 1.67. Similarly you will all calculate, then it will be 2.67, 0.33, 1.67. Next is 0.67, 0, 0.67 and 0. Variance is the standard deviation का whole square. 1.67 का whole square, that will be equal to 2.79. Similarly you will do all, then it will be equal to 7.13, 0.11, 2.79, 0.45, 0, 0.45 and 0 square is equal to 0. Right. Now only the last part is left. Determine the critical path and the expected project length. So we will write the duration time is given. For example, here activity A is 1 to 2. B, the activity is the 1 to 3. C activity is 2 to 3. D 2 to 4. E is 2 to 5. F is 3 to 5. G 4 to 5 and H is here 5 to 6. So the expected time is here 1 say 2, it takes time 5 weeks. 1 to 2 is given 5, 1 to 3 14, 2 to 3 it is 9, 2 to 4 it is 15, 2 to 4 is 15, 2 to 5 is equal to 8, 2 to 5 8, 3 to 5 is 9, 3 to 5 9, 4 to 5 it is equal to 4 and last one 5 to 6 is equal to 5. Now for the critical path we have to find out two values, earliest start time and the finish time, earliest start time and the earliest finish time. For this we have to find out the forward pass calculation and backward pass calculation. We will start from first event. Here it is, when we start the event it will be equal to E1 is equal to 0. Then come to 2 E2 is E1 plus T1 to 2. 1 से 2 के बीच में time is given 2, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. E3 is equal to maximum time here it is 0 plus 14 and 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Then it is equal to 14. Now come to E4 earliest time. E4 is equal to, it comes from only the point 2. Here it is E2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. Next come E5. E5 is the point where 3 events merge, 3, 2 and 4. So we have to find out here the maximum time. 14 plus 9 is 23. This is next is 5 plus 8 is 13 and 15. This next one is the 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. The maximum time is 24. Next come to E6. E6 is 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. Now we will calculate the backward pass calculation. E6 is equal to L6 is equal to 29. Now come to backward L5. L5 is 29 minus 5 is equal to 24. Now come to 5 के बाद 4. 24 minus 4 is equal to L4 is equal to 20. Now come to after 3 will come after 4. L3 is equal to 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. Then 2 will come. L2 is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 5. If you solve it, the minimum time taken is, this is 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. Now the last one is L1 is equal to, here it is the minimum of 3 and 2. 3 में कितना टाइम है 15. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1 and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So as we studied in previous class, what is critical path? Critical path is where EI is equal to LI, or we can say EJ is equal to LJ. It is known as the critical path. So E1, L1 0. Next is E2 and L2 is equal to 5. We will represent it by the double line. Then E4, 20, 20. We will represent by the double line. Here this is 14, 15 are not equal. Next E5, it will represent by double line, and E6, L6 are equal to 29. So critical path is here 1, say 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6, or we can say A to D, D to G, G to H. Alright, and the expected project length is equal to expected project length is equal to total time कितना लगता है इस एक्टिविटी को करने में, that is equal to 29 weeks. All right, thank you class.